Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I have a Colourpop haul slash eyeshadow tutorial for you. So this collection is the Colourpop with the Make It Black official collection. So 100% of the profits from this collection will go to supporting Black founders through the Pull Up for Change Small Business Impact Fund. So you can check out at Make It Black on Instagram, as well as at Pull Up for Change to get more information. And also, if you go to makeitblack.org, you can get all the products that, or all the companies that kind of collaborated with them for this particular collection for Black History Month. So I think I bought everything in the collection, so I'm going to share with you what I have and what the collection is. I know that Morphe and I believe Maybelline were a part of this collaboration as well. So Morphe they had their black setting spray, and then Maybelline had their lipstick in black, liquid lipstick in black, which I have, but I'm not using today. I'm only going to do Colourpop because they had an entire collection, which I thought was pretty cool. So we're gonna do that. This is what it looks like. So everything is going to be black, and I really like this. So it's a matte black, and then it has like the shiny black overlay. And this is the Make It Fearless palette. And we're about to see what these colors, very, very fun colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. So let's swatch this yellow. The yellow is called Oasis. Hold on. Yeah, Oasis. And then this kind of gold bronze color, and it's called Bold. That's really pretty. I know I just always jump into the video because I'm ready to get started. I don't want to lollygag, so we have this color here, this bright orange color that is called, it's just, what is this, 000? Looks like 3 O's. Whenever I see that, I know it means out of office at my job, so I don't know what the 3 zeros mean. But then we have this color, which is High Key, really nice. And then the last color is Say Yes. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to try to, get all these colors for my eye today. So we'll see how that turns out. We're gonna move on. Let's see, what is this? This is the Make It Unstoppable Super Shock Shadow Duo. Okay, so we'll go try, ooh, it's nice and creamy. Let's put it here because I still gotta, that's nice. This is Main Attraction. That's really nice. Okay, and then this one is Millennium. This says Ultra Metallic. So soft and like buttery. Okay. Alright, and then we have the lippy stick here, and this color is called Galore. Looks like that. I don't know what lipstick I'll be using today, but I'll definitely be using one of these. And we have this lippy stick. So I think there's 4 lippy sticks. I got all 4, and that's it. So it was the 2 Super Shock individual shadows, and then it was the palette, and then these 4 lippy sticks. Okay, and there's that one. I might wear that one. It's called Like Magic. So this one, that's really pretty. Oh, maybe there's 5. I don't know. This is another lippy stick. I Heart This. I feel like they already have, so this color is a color they already have in their collection. I Heart This because I'm pretty sure I have this one already. I wonder if all of these are and they just made the black casing. Okay, let's see. This one is called Pitch. I feel like this is another one I've definitely seen them have before. So they just changed the packaging, but still nice. So it's that nice brown. And then this one says it is a cream gel liner. And the color is Rosette. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's the cream gel liner. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this look and see what I can come up with. All right, and we're gonna just jump right into this palette. So this yellow color has some shimmer in it, so I'm not gonna put that in my crease. This this pink doesn't have any shimmer, but it looks kind of like metallic-y, so I'm actually either working with this orange or this brown, so I'm going to use the orange in my crease. And again, look how pigmented that is. I'm going to attempt to try to get as many colors as I can from this palette in this look. This is very pigmented, and it does have some like fallout, so like see, so if you're scared of color, just tap off your brush if you don't want it to be as intense. But I like mine to be intense, so I don't normally tap my brush off. I just go in because I want the color to have the biggest payoff and be as bright as possible on my lid, because I want you to see it. It's the whole point of doing your makeup, I would hope. So now I'm going to go in with, I think I should cut my crease actually, so that way these other colors can pop. So let me cut my crease and then I will be right back. All right, so I've cut my crease and now I'm gonna go into this color Bold. And I'm going to use, I have my Mario Badescu here. I'm just gonna use that to spray the brush. And I'm going to be patting that. I just sprayed my mirror. So I'm going to be patting that on this inner corner here. And I'm just patting it, again, not swiping. Okay, and now I'm going to take the pink in here. So I just took this color Bold, and now I'm going to take this pink here and pack that on. I really like the color story of this palette. This pink is like really beautiful. Packing it on again. I'm gonna take the color Bold, which was the bronzy color, so that I can make sure that those blend well together. And I'm just packing that back so that way we don't lose that and it doesn't look so harsh. So I bring that a little bit further out over the pink. And then I can take the brush with what's left over of the pink and just tap so they blend in, so it transitions, and in that section it's like a bronzy pink where they meet. All right, and now I'm actually going to save the yellow for my lower lash line, and I'm going to use the brown color, or it looks like a brown, like a brownish red tone here. It's called Say Yes. I'm gonna use that on the outer edge. So I usually blend like up here in like small circles, and then when I get to this part I just flick it and then little circles to kind of blend that in. So you want to pat it and pack it on there first so that you can get the most of the color, and then kind of blend that out. And it looks like we've lost the orange in our crease, but I will go back and put that back in. So I'm packing it on there. So to get that orange back, we're going to take I want like a smaller brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush here, and this is a Luxie brush 245. It's a small shader brush. I'm going to just take this, put the orange on here, and literally just putting the orange back there in my crease. I kind of want to blend that a tiny bit. I'm just softly taking this brush, and this is like a Wet n Wild brush. There we go. And now, so all the rest of the products that aren't a part of this collection aren't going to be featured in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and do my face and finish off my eyes off camera, and then we will come back. We'll do the lips, and we'll actually do our lower lash line together. Be right back. All right, so I'm back. My face is done. I did go ahead and use a yellow eyeliner, so that way when I do my lower lash line in this yellow, it pops more. So let's go ahead, take this yellow here, which is called Oasis, and I'm just going to pack it on my lower lash line here. And this does have shimmer. Okay. It's not showing up as bright as I want it, so I'm glad that I did the yellow eyeliner, but this is the color we used. And for my inner corner, I went ahead and used this color here, which is Main Attraction, and that's what's in my inner corner. So I've used as much as possible of this collection. Now for my lip, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use one of these. I'm not going to use I Heart This because that's something I definitely know was already in the Colourpop collection, so let me put that there. I don't want to use that soft pink, even though it's pretty, so that nude pink. And I'm not going to do this brown, so I'm going to do this color, which is called Galore. And first I'm going to line my lips with this Linnmon. It's an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip liner, and the color is Nutbush. So this is my look with the Colourpop and the Make It Black official collection. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Also let me know if you've bought anything from this collection or if you plan to. You can buy these products either on the makeitblack.org website or Colourpop. I bought mine off of Colourpop, and then I also believe that Ulta is also selling them as well. So 3 ways for you to buy this collection if you're interested. I will leave all the links down below. They're not affiliate links, so I'm just sharing them with you in case you're interested. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching.